Episode 1. After the rain. Oh, come on, guys. That rain sucked. Right, guys? I know it did, okay? I hate rain.
Well, anyway, guys. What is up with... Uh-oh. Anthony's dad is coming.
Hi!
Wait, did you just say hi to your dad?
Yep, I did. Well, tomorrow, guys, we're going to be dried off, which is a really, really good thing, right? No, I love the rain.
Yes, I hate the rain. Yeah, Tulkan, uglies.
Same with me, guys. Great. Well, this has been a good night, but Anthony has to turn us off when he goes to bed. Sounds right?
Yep, it does. Oh, you don't want to? Okay. Yep, that sounds good by me.
Yay, now I can finally take a nap today. I can take another nap now.
You can't until he goes to bed, okay?
Oh, fine.
Alright, wait, it's not the end yet. Alright, guys. I'm gonna sing you guys a song before we go, okay?
Yep. No, don't. Oh, shoot, I dropped my phone. Sorry, guys.
When you look up in the sky, you will see me saying hi. I just wish we do not die, but we're pretty flimsy, so we might say